Hello, and welcome to the Great Garden channel. To have a vibrant, colorful orchid garden like this, not everyone knows the right way to care for orchids from the very beginning. In today's video, I'll share with you an extremely simple and natural plant care secret, using ingredients that are easy to find right at home. After applying it for a while, you'll see strong, healthy roots, glossy leaves, and flower spikes beginning to grow longer, with buds appearing evenly, getting ready for a beautiful blooming season. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips from us. Let's get started. To make this organic fertilizer, we need to use rice. Rice is a common kitchen ingredient, rich in B vitamins, minerals, and starch, all very beneficial for plants. I use 3 tablespoons of rice. Next, put them into a cup like this. Then, add 500 milliliters of clean, room temperature water. Finally, stir well, cover the cup, and let it sit for 1 hour. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I will use used coffee grounds as a care ingredient for orchids. Coffee contains plenty of nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and essential trace minerals. In addition, coffee has antibacterial properties and helps prevent mold, creating a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. I put 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds into a clean glass cup. Then, add 500 milliliters of boiling water to extract the nutrients from the coffee grounds. Next, I let the solution sit for 1 hour to allow the nutrients to be fully released. After the time is up, I strain out the coffee grounds, keeping only the brewed liquid. This is the most valuable part that we need to use. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Similarly, I strain out the rice residue that was soaked earlier. At this step, I combine the rice extract with the coffee solution, creating a natural, nutrient-rich mixture that is full of minerals, making it easy for the plants to absorb and helping them recover quickly. Then, add 1 liter of clean, room temperature water to dilute the solution. And that's it. We now have a completely natural fertilizer solution. Go ahead and water your orchids with it. But first, you need to gently rinse the plant. Once the growing medium is sufficiently moist, the roots can easily absorb the nutrients from the fertilizer, allowing the plant to take in maximum nourishment and grow healthily. Pre-rinsing the plant not only protects the roots from shock or root burn caused by concentrated fertilizer, but also helps the nutrients distribute evenly throughout the pot, creating an ideal environment for strong and healthy root growth. You should do this for all the plants in your garden that need fertilizing. Gently pre-watering helps wake up the roots, preparing them to absorb nutrients in the most effective way possible. After pre-watering, lift the plant out and begin applying the organic fertilizer. Method 1. I pour the rice coffee solution into a dedicated watering can, then start watering around the base of the orchid. This watering method provides a rich source of natural nutrients from rice and coffee, supplying minerals, enzymes, and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, helping the roots grow strong and the leaves become glossy green. This watering method provides a rich source of natural nutrients from rice and coffee, supplying minerals, enzymes, and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, helping the roots grow strong and the leaves become glossy green. You should apply it once a week at first, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a stable and appropriate nutrient supply for orchids. When watering, do it evenly and gently, avoiding excessive water retention to help the roots absorb nutrients well. Keep the growing medium well aerated, and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Method 2. Next, pour the diluted rice coffee solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid leaves in a gentle, delicate manner. As you wipe, dust and residue on the leaf surface are removed, allowing the leaves to absorb light more efficiently for photosynthesis. This also helps limit the invasion of bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves clean, shiny, and healthy. The rice and coffee solution is rich in minerals, enzymes, and beneficial microorganisms, which help boost leaf vitality, support metabolism, and enhance the plant's natural disease resistance. Be sure to wipe both sides of the leaves with the diluted rice coffee solution so the nutrients can penetrate deeply, helping the leaves become thicker, stronger, and naturally glossy. This method should be done 1 to 2 times per week at first, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. In addition to orchids, you can also wipe the leaves of other plants in your garden. Here, I will clean the leaves of a peace lily. Use a soft cloth or cotton pad soaked in the rice coffee solution and gently wipe each leaf surface, avoiding excessive rubbing to prevent damage to the leaf tissue. Leaf wiping helps to remove dust, mineral residue, and long-term buildup, supplement organic nutrients from rice and coffee, keep leaves green, smooth, and healthy while improving photosynthesis, detect early signs of pests or weak leaves, and support timely and effective plant care. This should be done 1 to 2 times per week, especially beneficial for peace lily plants with dull leaves or those that haven't been cared for in a long time. Method 3. Pour the rice coffee solution into a dedicated spray bottle and spray it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the rice coffee solution helps natural nutrients, enzymes, minerals, and antibacterial antifungal compounds evenly reach all parts of the plant, forming a natural protective layer that strengthens the plant and limits attacks from bacteria, fungi, and pests. Be sure to spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution can penetrate deeply, clean the foliage, enhance photosynthesis, and stimulate healthy, vigorous growth. This method should be applied once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month afterward to maintain long-term effectiveness. After each spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can absorb the nutrients. If any water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton. This step is very important, as standing water can create a favorable environment for fungal growth. By drying the leaves thoroughly, you proactively prevent harmful pathogens, reduce the risk of leaf and crown rot, and keep your orchids healthy with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Besides orchids, you can also mist spray other plants in your garden. Here, I will spray my lily plant as well. When spraying, be gentle with the lily. When applied as a mist, the coffee rice solution supplies essential nutrients directly to the roots, helping them grow strong and absorb nutrients more effectively. At the same time, the solution supports the plant in resisting fungal diseases, bacteria, and pests from the root level, stimulates the growth of new shoots and leaves, and promotes healthy, vigorous green growth. When applied as a mist, the coffee rice solution supplies essential nutrients directly to the roots, helping them grow strong and absorb nutrients more effectively. At the same time, the solution supports the plant in resisting fungal diseases, bacteria, and pests from the root level, stimulates the growth of new shoots and leaves, and promotes healthy, vigorous green growth. After 2 months of consistent care, the results are truly amazing. The orchid leaves gradually become deep green, glossy, and thicker. Each new leaf grows full of vitality, firm, healthy, and strong. With efficient photosynthesis, the leaves nourish the entire plant from the inside out, helping the orchid grow evenly, thrive, and remain full of life. The root system develops vigorously with many new white, plump roots firmly anchoring to the growing medium. This allows the plant to absorb water and nutrients optimally, making the whole plant healthier than ever. Flower buds and flower spikes grow steadily, strong and well-formed, ready to bloom and bring forth vibrant, bright, and lively flowers that create a naturally striking beauty for the entire plant. The buds are numerous and large, with vivid, long-lasting colors. Flowers bloom in succession, forming a pod of orchids that remains full of vitality and brilliantly colorful for many weeks. This is truly a well-deserved reward for your patience and attentive care. When nurtured properly, orchids will give back with abundant vitality and stunning natural beauty. Enjoy every moment of caring for your plants, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest orchid care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.